Hi, my name is Ernesto Postler, and today I will introduce and walk you through an early prototype of Olive Health app, a responsive web app designed for people who want to live a more healthy life by managing exercise, recipes, medical contacts, and appointments all in one place. Well, the moment you open the app, you will see this splash screen, while the home page is downloading all the infos to open. Well, this is the home page. Here, the new user will have all the information about the features that this app has to offer. The new user can click and sign up and be redirected for the screen to sign up and create a new account. The regular user can click by the icon on the top right side of the screen. This icon will redirect him to the login screen. As I am a new user, I have to click and sign up. This is sign up screen. Here, the new user has to give the username, email, and password. By clicking sign up, you're going to receive a confirmation email that the email is correct. After he has confirmed, then you're going to be able to log in. If he doesn't want to do this, he can also connect with Facebook, Google ID, or Apple ID. So, clicking by the username, you can see that a virtual keyboard will appear on the bottom. Clicking the keyboard, we're going to see the example that I create. Signing up. After I receive the email, I'm going to be able to do the login. So, as you can see, this page also has a new user button. This is because sometimes the new user can, by mistake, click in the icon and not in the button that is sign up here. So here we can do the email and log in. Now, for the first time that I log in, I'm gonna run through the onboarding, where I'm gonna see the most important informations how to use this app. Some informations about the settings, the information about the menu in the bottom, about your pictures, and also about how to see the most important infos and access them. So this is the home. Here you'll see the picture of the user and the name of the user. Here you can also see and access the agenda and also the fitness, meals, and health, not only by the menu on the bottom, but also by these bullets. So I'm going to use the menu on the bottom. So let's first go to the fitness. Here you can see that there exists already a list of some exercises. Okay, if I want to add more, I just need to click the plus. Here I can check how my progress is doing by different exercises. So let's go to the chest and legs exercises. Here I see my list, the exercise that I have to do this day. If I want to add some new exercise, I click on Math, and a new exercise is added. Of course, it's everything blank. I have to fill it up to have a new exercise. So the new exercise is create. Now I have to save. Now it is already saved in the list. If I want to return for the fitness, I just need to click here. Okay? So let's go to the next one, meals. when you open the meals, you're gonna see the search area, the plus, where you can create more lists about your health recipes. So I have here the lists in low carb, sugar-free, gluten-free, and high protein. So let's see the recipes in low carb. So the low carbs are the chicken cheese dog, salad low carb, chicken salad, and no potato salad. So I have a new recipe that I need to add. So I click on the plus, and the new recipe appears for me to fill up. I can put picture, recipe name, ingredients, and how to prepare. Here is how it's gonna be the recipes when they are ready. They are ready, but they are not saved. To be saved, I have to click here. Now my recipe is already in my list. The next feature that we have is health. In health, you're gonna have actually the agenda. Agenda you can access by home, by profile, and also by health, where you can access doctor contacts, clinic contacts, and medications. So let's go to the agenda to add a new appointment. You can see that the agenda you can choose to see by day, by week, as you can see here, and by month. So let's add a new appointment. I click in the mask, in the plus, and a new appointment appears to be filled up with the title of the appointment, the day that you're going to start, if it's a long one, hour to start, day to finish, and hour to finish. I also can enter the street, the zip code, the city, and some information. Here is for the user. He can actually link other contacts that can also have then this appointment in their agenda. So I'm gonna click in title, and the appointment is created. By clicking here, you're gonna save the appointment, and here's the appointment already saved. So this is the home, profile, fitness, meals, and health. Thank you very much for watching this presentation, and I hope you have a nice day. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.